This massive drone has the capability to drop multiple warheads with shaped charges, making it very effective in taking out tanks. As the top armor isn't thick enough to withstand such an attack, the unit claims responsibility for taking out over 200 tanks themselves, having plenty of video evidence to back that up. As the larger drone can stay longer in the air, carry more weight and drop multiple warheads, when finding 2 tanks hidden under camouflage net with cope cages, the drone can easily destroy both tanks, making the warhead to penetrate, destroying internal components, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.